add or subtract radicals, a good way to think about it is it's exactly like combining like terms. So we can only add together radicals that have the exact same radical part. By that I mean, you can see the square root of 3 here and the square root of 3 here. Think of those like x's or y's or some variable. So if you have 2x plus 5x and you combine like terms, you're going to do 2 plus 5 is 7 and you get 7x. With radicals, it's no different. 2 plus 5 is 7, but instead of x, we have square root of 3. So in this case, you'll see we have one with a square root of 3. Here's another with a square root of 3. But this one in the middle has a square root of 2 on it. So think of this like it were 7x plus 4y, something different, than 3x, so the same thing. So here we have x and x there. Those are like terms, so we can combine those together. But the y is different, so we can't do anything with that. So with the combining like terms here, 7x minus 3x, that's going to be 4x. And then we have the 4y, and we can't combine those together. With radicals, it's exactly the same thing. 7 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3, you're going to get 4 square root of 3. And then there's the 4 square root of 2 that we can't do anything with. At first glance, this may look like we can't add these or subtract these because they are not like radicals. We have 125 under one of them, and we have 5 under the other one. However, we can take the first one and we can reduce it. So if we start breaking this apart, we can do, say, 5 times 25. Break that apart, and we get 5 and 5. Here's a pair of 5s, and there's one left over underneath. So we're going to get 9 times 5. So we pull this 5 out here from the pair of 5s. And then there's a 5 left over underneath the radical. Then I can just copy the second one down as is. On the left, 9 times 5 is 45, so that's really 45 square root of 5, minus 2 square root of 5. Now these are like terms. They both have a square root of 5. So just think about if it were 45x minus 2x, you would have 43x. This is going to be 43 square root of 5.